Let's enter a time of meditation together. We're going to enter the inner silence. So if you'll let your breathing be soft and gentle, gently close your eyes. Let all tension leave your body. Gently relax. A peaceful world begins in a peaceful heart. Did you know that you are a powerful manifester? That you can help bring peace to the external world by bringing peace to the internal world. And so as we breathe in and as we breathe out, let's focus on peace inside. If you can imagine the earth, this beautiful green and blue ball floating in space. Imagine it maybe the size of a marble. Maybe hold it in your hand. And as you hold it in your hand and you look at this beautiful little thing, think of that little thing as coming into your heart. Bring the earth into your heart. The earth island home that we live on, shared by all the creatures and all the people. Imagine it inside your heart. And imagine, if it's inside your heart, imagine that you cover it with the word peace. And we speak peace to the earth. Peace to all the animals. Peace to all the peoples. They are all now in our heart. That's a powerful image. Now imagine the earth covered in peace, expanding, and now it is outside of your body, and it expands, and it grows, and it grows, and it grows, until it's the size of our planet. And it's covered in peace, because it began in your heart. Let's take that image of that peaceful inside, our peaceful heart, our peaceful world, expanding. Let's take that into the silence for a few moments together. And as we breathe in, and as we breathe out, imagine again that peaceful ball in your heart, expanding until peace is the world. And so it is.